real cases of how to see them. But before that, maybe you can work with me. There are certain websites or AI-based experiments which we can carry out right now. So what we are going to do, can I have your phone? And let us do one thing. Augmented reality means the imposition of digital object on a physical object. There is an overlay. This is our, you can see my hand here. So, tiger overlay. And I can expand it, bigger, and then I can move it around. This is only one example, but you can see, you can do much more things about it. So like, so you can, it is very simple. In some of your case, if it is not coming up, then the issue may be every handset, this is the headset, it has an AR core into it. AR means augmented reality core, hardware component. It may not be tuned to display the augmented reality. Otherwise, it will work absolutely fine, like it is working in this case. You just front. Then there is another thing which I can show it to you. It's a very good app. It is called as MPCTAR. This is means absolutely amazing app. MPCTAR. This add one, you can install it, and then I think more than 200 live examples of all kind of subjects, they are in this Meet augmented reality metaverse, and you can see that it is around 80 MB, so not a big. Okay. There is a example in it, life cycle of a frog. So from egg, how it develops and it grows into a frog. Then ISS, International Space Station, you can go into the space, you can go deep into the ocean, you can play with whales, you can play with sharks, and anything. So here is like human anatomy. All these are the augmented reality examples of various kind of things. You can keep on searching. Say like for example, this is for NASA. Click on it, just go with start. It will load it into the memory, and then you can create it, point it anywhere in your room with complete. So depending on your internet speed, that you will do. But maybe you can try it. It's easy that if the multimedia is heavy, then it will take time. And I think in this room we are having little net as a challenge. But anyway, the website which I was telling you is have your WhatsApp with you, you can install it, and here like it is get started. You can ask any question and it will give you the answer. So this is your ChatGPT built with your WhatsApp. And since we have talked about ChatGPT, you may be knowing that the new version of ChatGPT, which is GPT-4, it has come you want to subscribe to that, you have to pay $20 per month. But that is a phenomenal improvement in AI. You can take a photograph of something and upload it, because the normal is using only text-based prompts. But there you can use images. If you add an image, you can analyze that image, and then it can give you some idea on how to proceed with it. Another beauty, another challenge is that you must be writing some articles, due to research, and mostly how much, 7,000, 8,000 maximum words we write, and the article goes into 15-20 pages. This can accept a text count of up to 25,000 words. 25,000. If one page contains around 300 words, A4 size, when you take out a print, 25,000, you can see how much that much you can upload into it, and you can tell that, and it can do that activity with it. So this is one. Now, a simple question: how much time will you take in creating your own website? How many days? How many weeks in creating your website? 1 week. Okay. What I say, if you can create your website within 30 seconds, 30 seconds. That is the power of AI. For that, you can try it. The website is called as build a website within 30 seconds. So you click on generate your website. Get started. It will ask you what name you want to select in location. It will add the Google map to it, so you can allow. And then it is asking what type of business you are building. If you are running short of ideas, nothing is coming into the mind, even then you can see some of the suggestions. So enter a business type. Say for example, if I say, okay, let us start from here, audio production. But if you are not able to think of, you can get the suggestions from it. Content writing, wellness content, or whatever it is, or you can pick your own name. You can say write from me. Anything, it will take anything. And next, then name of your business. Based on that, it will suggest you some names, like the 5 Pros, Toastmasters, Columbus Solutions, and now it will give. I am not doing anything. It is picking up a color palette, beautiful banner, and then someone will say beautiful things about it. So it is adding a paragraph, adding some services, writing a positive testimonial that you are the best in the Varanasi, creating a gallery, adding a map, Google map, the locality of your area, and a lead test. You want to see it? So expert learning solutions. Varanasi. I didn't type Varanasi, but it is identified. So here, about us, their services. So if I use it, needs it, is a gallery, there is your location, maybe you can expand it, this is live working, and or place your orders. So this can give you a good idea about it, on how to use that. The website which I was telling you is another good thing which you can use. It is called as Roam Around. I like it very much because when I told one of my friends who was going to Jodhpur and used it, he was super excited. And we have to log in again, but you can try. This is gives you need to tell it only 3 things: the place where you are going, when you are going, and for how many days you will be there. Depending on that, it will make your travel plan with all the things there around to this scene. You can use your mobile phone also. on your mobile, because on your mobile you will be, if your Android is there, you will already be in your Gmail. So otherwise here I have to one class again to log in. But anyway, we all are bothered about copyright things. Okay, so you go to it, you have to make a presentation, you want some images. I know somebody may be knowing of Pixabay or Splasher, but then they are created by someone else. You want to create your own image on things. Then there are wonderful websites which you can try. In fact, I was the one of them who got the subscription to it because it was waitlisted. Millions of people were waiting, but last year I got. So this is DALL-E. This website, you need to create it, and you just tell the text, and it will create the images from there. You need to log into using that. There is a improved version of it, which is called as Stable Diffusion. आप जब 3 मिनट से 3 घंटा you have to drag me from the stage if you want. Otherwise I can see. So this is here. It creates wonderful things for you. You can simply tell it anything, and it can work. It can create image which does not exist. Do you know that there is a website? It is called as "This person does not exist," and it can create an image of a person. Here, first 10 users are free. You can type your prompt here. Say like visiting temple with raining and birds flying over the river. Okay, let's keep it short and generate image. If you make it longer, then it will take time and thinking. And the image which it will generate, it doesn't exist so far. So you are not. So it is taking time processing, and then no copyright issue, no nothing. It will simply generate things for you that can go very well with you. So it is now processing, doing something. In the meantime, it does that. There is, have you heard about, everybody knows about Google, but do you know about this search engine, zoo.com? You can ask questions about it. The difference between ChatGPT and this one is that, okay, here are the images which it has created for us. Visiting temple with raining and birds flying over here, so you can see this and the quality of it. But you just need to be creative in telling it. The more you tell it, the more you be specific, it will generate exactly what you want to create for that. And these are the original images so far. Similarly, this is the website you.com, and the another one which I was telling you is person does not exist. This person does not exist. It's just created. You can choose the gender, you can choose age, ethnicity, etc., and then it will be created. So there are these things. Then maybe somebody is waiting for you. You have to tell that stop now. WRF. This site is to create text to speech with AI voice generator. AI based. So nowadays what we are doing, with the help of Stable Diffusion or DALL-E, we are creating a person, and then using this software we are creating audio, and then there are software which can mimic the voice of anyone. I just need a sample of the voice of Professor Madhusudan. The software will clone the voice, and exactly the way he speaks, the software will convert that. And that's why there are so many videos which are being created. That is like this is AI based. You can try it. This is a free, I think, 5 minutes it can generate. A real looking person with a real appealing voice with those. So now I'm closing. I just want to show 2 more websites. One is Tiny Wow. That is a really tiny wow. It has a lot of things which you can find. For anything which you can use for your purpose, you will find something from here. It has a lot of tools which are all AI based tools. And then there is it has a lot of tools. I think something happened with this browser. But anyway, you can check. I could have given you a demo on, say, like face recognition technology or the body movement, like this works together and realize something. But we have come to arrest. So thank you so
Nobody
much.
is having power to arrest you. We are running short of time. So we have to move to the auditorium for the